Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about MidJourney, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a MidJourney account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a MidJourney account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that coming up with pictures and videos and visuals for your blogs or social media can be time consuming and expensive. With MidJourney, you can easily imagine a new image for your blog through AI. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the MidJourney website. It's midjourney.com/home. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there, but I've already pulled up the website. Here is the home screen. Now, in order to create an account, you're going to go ahead and click on sign up, this little green button here at the bottom. Once you do that, you can go ahead and sign up with your Discord login or your Google login. For me, I'm going to go ahead and use my Google login. Okay, next you want to go ahead and choose the account you're going to use to log into your MidJourney. I'm going to go ahead and use this one. Okay, next Google asks if you're sure you want to go ahead and share this information with MidJourney. I'm going to click on continue. Okay, a quick second later, it brings me to my MidJourney account, so I can go ahead and start looking through the images that have been created through MidJourney. Now, if you want to start creating, you will need to sign up for the paid subscription. So that's going to be over here on the left, subscribe, and you can look through the different pricing plans, whichever one's going to work for you. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a MidJourney account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.